Welcome to Keypad Hotel, where comfort and convenience await you in the heart of Hanoi. Before we begin, don't forget to check the description or scan the QR code for booking details and special offers. Nestled in the vibrant capital of Vietnam, Keypad Hotel is your perfect retreat after a day of exploring bustling streets and rich cultural gems. This charming 3-star property features 11 thoughtfully designed rooms, blending modern comforts with local elegance, all refreshed in 2021 for an even more welcoming stay. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you time to settle in, while the generous 11:30 a.m. checkout lets you enjoy a leisurely morning before you depart. Families will appreciate our child-friendly policy. Kids aged 6 to 10 stay free, making it easier to travel together. Beyond the cozy interiors, adventure calls right outside. Surrounded by Hanoi's lush landscapes, Keypad Hotel offers easy access to scenic hiking trails, perfect for both seasoned trekkers and casual walkers seeking breathtaking views. Back at the hotel, stay connected with free Wi-Fi, ensuring you can share every moment of your unforgettable journey. Whether you're here for business or leisure, Keypad Hotel provides the ideal base to experience the energy and beauty of Hanoi. Ready to book? Simply scan the QR code below or check the description for more details. We can't wait to welcome you.